breakables. This is a regular coffee mug. When you're doing coffee mugs or any type of this, you always make sure you fill your center. You want to make sure, because that, if it was to get break, this helps protect it. What I use is the brown paper, packing paper. You can get, these are the ones they were talking about, you get them at a newspaper printing store or printing location. I buy these at Office Depot, Office Max, like 180 sheets for 20 bucks. I just kind of cut them down to the size. Always stuff the middle first. As you had mentioned, always take your handles, protect them by stuffing this in, because you don't, those are the most easiest ones to break. Then I just roll it around.
Do you prefer bubbles in or bubbles out?
Bubbles in, and use a small bubble wrap. Your bubbles in protect that, and it's easier when you're taping also.
You put the bubbles out, they're easier to pop. Bubbles in, you've got these sheets.
And it protects your item that you're doing. I didn't bring my tape, but you would tape it here.
It's right behind you. There's tape right behind you.
Always kind of stuff this in, so you got these open ends, stuff them into the hole. Fold this over. The worst thing I find that breaks, or the most break, is those handles. This is the bottom, just lay it flat, and then I would tape around this whole thing. Okay? I don't use the FOMO like she showed. I use a regular, I took some of my stuff out from my last one. I had to get into my box today. So I use a priority mail. These are 7 by 7 by 8. You can't pull it apart. Val put them together, and now you have one in. There. These are a 7 by 7 by 6 size box. Might be 8. No, 7, 7, 6. So I put the item, what I use is more bubble wrap on the bottom. You can also use the large peanuts. Those go towards the outside, because you're protecting from the outside. We just set it in the middle. I use a lot of packing peanuts. Fill in the bottom, you can stand it up, that doesn't matter, but protect your handles in your center. These are bowls. They're still wrapped from Tuesday. If you're doing dinnerware, saucers, plates, or bowls, singles, 2 or more, I'll show you how to do 1 and 2. Doing 2, what I do is I take the bubble wrap. These I've got the peanuts up, because when I fold this over, it's going to be on the outside. So the peanuts towards the bottom here. Just set that one on top. More packing paper, or that brown paper. Fill in your holes. You can also wad some bubble wrap if you want. Wrap this around. Now this one's on the outside. I have it backwards. Flip it around. Bubbles on the inside. Sorry about that. I had that one tucked backwards. So I just put a layer in between to hold them together so you can wrap many. Once you have that, take one piece, just wrap it around. Oops. Your ends, I like to push them towards the middle. It seems like the edges here in the middle will be the most. Now once I have that, I run another one the opposite direction. I use a lot of bubble wrap. So I want to wrap it the opposite direction of from where this fold is. Show you you're gonna fold it the same direction as those folds. You can tuck these on the outside. So you've got that cushion from the first one around your edges, and these are the opposite sides, so all your rim is covered. Now you got the most difficult one, a lot of people tend to break. And undo this. And these are still wrapped from Tuesday. This is a gravy bowl. You want to protect this bottom base that's attached. By doing that, take a nice, I have different sizes. These are actually pretty long. I have some of the 12s, 12-inch wide. These are pretty long. So that one's gonna fold, you're gonna measure it for the length. Kind of estimate your length. Fold it in half. And then fold it again in half. So you're down to a quarter. You got a nice big cushion here. So around your edge here, just hold it. Tuck it all the way around, and then that I would take down. So you have a nice edge on this, so you're not gonna break that bottom one. Same with the paper, fill your center. Another piece. The bubbles up towards you, but they're facing on the inside. Roll it real good. Now I take my ends, and I like to have nice long ends, so you want a lot of protection. Fold it towards the middle, because you got that big edge on the bottom. Fold this one and then take good. Now we'd run 2 pieces down there to protect that one. Okay? That's all I have.